Seals are okay here. Really bonus points for the cardboard packaging. It's just a mouse, why so much paper? Oh, it's pretty big. Okay. It feels a bit plasticky though. It doesn't feel as solid as I thought it would. M705. That's the power on. Optical. It's optical. Feels really comfortable. It would be really nice for a laptop. Oh, interesting groove here. Oh, the wheel is nice. It's just like in my trusty G9. Just like in my trusty G9. Feels very precise. Size comparison with the G9 gaming mouse. Full size, so it's not a mini mouse. And this wheel, it can take you through a whole Excel or a Google Sheets file. And if you engage the wheel, it is a bit noisy though. Feels really good, a bit light. I just got used to the heavy mouse, I guess, but this groove here is really nice. It's like good for gripping to lift it. So let's see there's no batteries. I thought it was included. Ah, maybe it's here. Ah, that's what's in the box there. I should have opened it from this side. The information about the batteries. So you turn it on, connect, put the dongle in the laptop or desktop, and you're ready to go. Okay, so they were here. That's what's written inside the mouse. And the nice thing is they go both plus on the right side, so no need to check. Dongle is here. It's good to have the dongle there, back in its slot. Orientation doesn't matter. Model number, serial number. In case you need to replace this dongle, maybe this is useful information. I'm not sure if they would work with any device, but this is the dongle that came with this mouse. Made in China for sure. I'll do something a bit different. I'll try to connect the mouse to my phone. Let's see if that works. So dongle is in the hub. That's the mouse. Ah, it's red when it's off. So you can tell from the color. Okay. Actually with the batteries, the weight is much better. Dongle goes in the phone. And now it's the... Oh! It's there. my video up, I can control the phone remotely with the mouse. So it's working even on the phone. This is really good. Computer is on and I have the mouse here and it is turned on. It's on the on position. It feels a bit back heavy, don't know. I plug in the dongle on the computer and let's see how much time it takes until it's ready to use. Okay, plug-in time. Plugged in and I already have the screen. Right click. It's not bad actually. It was really cheap, less than 50 euro, and it's actually pretty ergonomic. These shapes around it, they are actually feeling good. There is a light when it's connected. The light is only at the beginning a little bit. Oh, it's back. Okay. I think it's a pretty good mouse for the price. And the grip is really good here. I'm really not a fan of these forward and back buttons, but okay. Thanks for watching.